I'm at the Brightline station in Orlando, Florida, and we are headed out on the Brightline this morning to Miami for our Icon of the Seas cruise this week. I am so excited. I have never been on the Brightline or even a train before. Now, they are still closed right now. They will open here in just a few minutes. We got here bright and early this morning, so let's go ahead and take a look.
The Brightline station here in Orlando is located at the Orlando International Airport and opened this past September in 2023. Now, Brightline recommends arriving to the station 15 minutes prior to your departure just to ensure smooth process. Now, we did purchase the premium fare for our ride today, and when you purchase the premium fare, you do get access to the premium lounge. And here in the Orlando lounge, you'll see that there are plenty of complimentary snacks such as fruit, cheese tray, and you do get complimentary drinks of beer and wine as well. And of course, they offer various non-alcoholic drinks of soda, water, coffee, and tea. It is morning time, so they do have some bagels out that you can toast and have some cream cheese and butter as well. Plenty of seating everywhere in the lounge with USB ports and outlets around as well. And of course, we were a little excited to see the waffles come out. Now that we have gotten some breakfast and some snacks this morning, it is time to board the train. You can purchase your Brightline tickets on their website online, and you can get them anywhere from $20 to almost $200, just depending on if you're wanting the smart fare or the premium fare, and it also depends on departure day and time as well. Today we got our premium fare tickets going from Orlando to Miami for $119 per person. Now, for both the smart fare and the premium fare rides, you do get one complimentary carry-on bag per person. And you can choose to check a bag. If you're wanting to check a bag, there is a fee if you have a smart fare ride. If you have a premium fare, you do get one free checked bag per person. They do recommend checking oversized bags. Now, as you see here, there is a small area that you can put your bags here in the premium cart. And here in the premium cart, you will have 21-inch leather seats versus in the smart fare cart, you will have 19-inch leather seats. So a little bit extra room here in the premium. Now, you do have the option to purchase a seat with a table, or you can have a tray table from the seat in front of you. Now, everyone does have their own outlets. If you have a table, you have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. A reading light above each seat.
And seat. As you board, we kind of remind you to please use the overhead compartments for your carry-on bags.
Thank you, Vanna.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh wait, she flipped letters.
I'm gonna flip trays. Oh, look, there's a button down here.
And the button is to give you a slight recline so that you can relax while you're sitting in your chair. And look over here to the side, you do have 2 more outlets and USB ports over on the side, and every chair does have that as well. So you not only get the outlets here on your table, you get them right there on the side of your chair. So plenty of outlets and USB ports here in the premium cart. It's time for the snack and beverage cart to come around. It's early in the morning, so I grabbed a cup of coffee and a breakfast box. And here in the breakfast box, we get a cup of fruit, some yogurt, a little granola bar, and a muffin. And of course, you can have your choice of juice, coffee, or water. Now, it is about a 3.5-hour ride from Orlando to Miami, so if you need to go to the restroom, it's just outside the cart. And I did film the restroom because I was pretty shocked at how spacious it was here on the train. Now, the stops that the Brightline will make here in Florida are Orlando, West Palm Beach, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, Aventura, and Miami. Now, we are arriving at the Miami station. And at all Brightline stations, they offer the Mary Mary bar where you can sit and have a drink before you depart. And then all the train stations also offer a grab and go area where you can also grab any kind of snacks, maybe a neck pillow, very similar to an airport, but just on a smaller scale. Now let's take a look at what the premium lounge looks like here at the Miami station. Now you do have to scan your train pass entering into the premium lounge just as you would when entering the train station. Now the complimentary snacks that we're seeing here in Miami are very similar to the ones that we also saw in Orlando as well. Now, just like Orlando, they also offer complimentary beverages. Now, coming over here to the beverage station, you'll see that you have options of tea and coffee, water, various sodas, and of course, complimentary beer and wine as well. Now the restrooms are just outside of the premium lounge, so you just have to walk right outside the lounge if you need to go to the restroom while you are here waiting for your train. But there is plenty of space to sit and lounge and relax. And even some workspaces available too, with plenty of outlets and USB ports. Now we're on the train headed back to Orlando, and it's mid-afternoon, and this is what we are enjoying, some of our snacks that are complimentary here in the premium cart this afternoon.
I absolutely love taking the Brightline train. It was so much better than flying, in my opinion. They are in the works to add Tampa, Cocoa Beach, Jacksonville, LA to Las Vegas. This was amazing. I really enjoyed it. What do you think? Have you ridden the Brightline train? Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.